long time, Max just sits there trying to forget about all of that. She listens to the scritch of the leaves as the trees sway in the wind. She feels the sun on her face and the quiet thump of her heart. She breathes in and then out, in and then out. And for the first time all day, she stops. She pauses. She waits. For the first time all day, she just is. "How are the hiccups?" her grandmother asks, and Max opens her eyes. "They're never going away," she says. Her grandmother smiles at her. "Are you sure about that?" Max is very still for a moment, then another. She waits and waits, and then she laughs because they're gone. Her hiccups are gone. She won't have to be studied by science. She won't be in any of the record books. She won't have to drink water upside down after doing a cartwheel that turned into a handstand while eating a lemon and plugging her nose ever again. Or at least until the next time. Just then, her little brother walks by and, "Hiccup!" Max looks at her grandmother, and her grandmother looks at Max. "You better go tell him the cure," she says with a wink. And so Max does. "You know," she says to her brother, "it's actually very easy. All you have to do is be patient." And so together they sit there, watching the sun burn down like a candle in the sky, listening to the wind move through the trees, waiting, until finally, when neither of them is paying any attention, the hiccups go away. I thought this book was extra special because in the back of it, sometimes authors will dedicate their books. That means that whoever who's very special in their lives, they might make a special shout out to them. And in this case, somebody by the name of Tate is being cited. So for Tate, who sat beside me while I wrote this book and so many others. So there's another little person out there named Tate. I thought that was special. I hope you enjoyed it. I love you.